Hey YouTube, my name is Tatiana and I'm back with another video today. And today I'm just going to be showing you how I got this gold glitter eyeshadow look. If you want to see how I did it, just stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to be using my Naked Urban Decay palette, and it's in the Cherry palette, and I'm going to be using the color Privacy. And this is just kind of like a dark brown color with a hint of red to it. And I'm just going to be putting this in the crease of my eye. And just blend it out as much as you can. You want to make sure you put it on the outer corner of your eye and then blend it inwards. Okay, so next I'm taking my palette that I got from Walmart, and I'm just going to be taking the black color, and I'm going to be adding that in the crease also, and I'm going to be adding it to the outer corner of my eye first and then blending inwards. And I like to do this because I like to start out with a lighter color first and then add on darker colors, just so I can layer it and blend in the colors. Make sure you blend very well. And then after that, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Elements palette, and the color I'm going to be using is called Antidote. And it's like a light brown tannish color, and I want to start off with that first, and I'm gonna put it on just on my regular eyelid, and I want to start out with that so I can put a lighter, like kind of like a base color on my eye. And this base color is gonna help the glitter to stand out when I do put that on. And next I'm going to be taking my gold glitter, and it's the Collab. Yeah, it's the Collab brand. And then I'm actually going to be taking this dollar lip gloss. And this is my little trick hack that I use, but this dollar lip gloss, I just kind of dab it onto my eye to help the glitter to stick. And it actually works very well. So just dab the glitter on there very lightly. And keep in mind, this glitter is actually loose powder glitter, so it is a little bit messy. But just dab it on your eyelid, and then just brush the excess glitter off. And then once I do that, I'm actually going to be taking this brush, and I'm going to go back in the crease and just use the black eyeshadow that I used the first time. And I'm just going to be kind of lining the crease up, just so I can make it look a little bit more defined. And also another thing with this is that if you do mess up with the glitter or the eyeshadow that you put on your eyelid, putting a little bit more of the black color or dark color that's in your crease will help it to fix it. Okay, so once I get done with that, I actually used a shimmer tan color, and I'm just putting that on my eyebrow arc. And I had just put that on my eyebrow arc just to give it a little bit of shine. Kind of like a little bit of highlight underneath my arc. So I had already started on the other eye. My other eye, I'm just going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to be using the exact same eyeshadows that I used for the first eye. So I'm just going to let this video play out, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.